Hi there, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I have something I'd love to show you. It's something I've been working on for quite a while now. Although it took me only a couple dedicated hours to make this, but it has certainly increased my productivity by a lot and saved me a lot of time. So let me give you a quick backstory of it. I'll make the entire video within 5 minutes so I don't waste your time and we both know how valuable time is. So yeah, the quick backstory is just a month ago I started creating content on Instagram and I've reached to a certain following, which to me is great. But one thing which I've faced problem with is managing the content ideas which I come up with, coming up with content ideas every day, because my entire process was I had to post every day, so I had to come up with a lot of content ideas. The way managing my content ideas and coming up with more content ideas was a headache, definitely. So I was like, okay, my expertise is in creating AI agents, so why not I make one for myself? And I did. After I spent a couple hours making this, my process has increased, my productivity has increased by a lot. I've saved countless hours using this, and today I'm going to show it to you exactly how it works and how you can do this for yourself as well. So on my screen, as you can see, there's a small method. It's a custom GPT which I made. I've named it Instagram SMM. It's not publicly available as it is private only to me. This is a custom made custom-made ChatGPT specifically for my use case. It knows what I create about. It knows what database am I connected to. It knows all of that. So let's look at it. The first I've said, let's start content creation process. What are my main content pillars? These are all which I've trained the ChatGPT about. So this ChatGPT knows what type of content I make. So it's more personalized to me. Then it over here it does. Look, main content pillars are productivity hack, like hacks, how to be better, productivity with AI, and so on. Now these are all topics I speak on my Instagram. These are all topics which I speak on a regular basis. Therefore, it understands what type of content I make. And then the best part of this is it's available on my phone. ChatGPT is available on my phone. So what I have to do is take out my phone, type an idea, be like, this is the idea. Then I just send it to ChatGPT. I'll show you the magic which happens after this. First one, it just says, I just entered a prompt saying, yes, I came with 24 content ideas, here is the list. And these are all the content ideas which I'll be speaking about in my Instagram page as well. So how to use ChatGPT? No one cares about any content on LinkedIn. It's pointless if you're not networking actively. How am I so positive towards my situations? All of these are content ideas. So I send it over to ChatGPT, and in the end, I said, give me the content table, type and notes for all the topics in the format of a table. Now, this is a custom action which I've added into ChatGPT, so it knows what I'm asking about and returns to me in this format. It returns time, idea, type, notes, and status. One idea being exactly what my idea was, how to use ChatGPT to its best, and the type of video it is. It can either be a how-to video, it can be experience, it can be a documentary, all of that. So over here it's a how-to video, and then it's a come notes which is made by itself. This way ChatGPT understands what type of content I am making and what notes do I require to make this. And the status is I haven't posted this. So I need to post this, and when I post this, it will get updated when I say this to ChatGPT. So this is the one custom feature which I've added. It helps me manage all my content ideas, but this is just the base of all this. Moving on, these are all the content ideas, and then I'm like, this is something I want to talk about. This is the cool content idea which I came with. I might or might not talk about this, but it's a content idea. So again, I send it to ChatGPT, and then it takes out. See over here, I have an extract relevant content point from this table. Again, is not required, and it takes in all the data, comes up with the content idea, which is content idea, the type it is, and everything. But this is not the end of it. Now I'm going to show you the magic. Okay, all I'm going to type is send this idea. Yes, send this idea. Yes, send this idea. Now, as you can see over here, you will say starting action, which you normally don't see in any ChatGPT unless it's custom made, and ask me permission, which I'm going to confirm. So what it's going to do is it's going to take the data which I've given it over here, and it's going to send it to a custom made Google Sheets, my custom Google Sheets, as well as my custom Notion database where I see all my ideas. So this is the idea, this is the content idea. Now, if I go to this page over here, which is my Google Sheet, which was empty earlier, this is just a dummy I've added. I have my original hidden inside. So it records the time I spoke about this idea. the idea which is there and the status of it as well as the notes of it. Now, let's say, why can't I state? Yeah. Now, what we're going to do is, okay, so now your problem would be like, oh, we can only add one at a time, and that would suck so bad. So what I'm going to do is add all content ideas which we haven't added yet. Send all content ideas which we haven't added, and over here you're going to see the magic. It's going to say starting, and then we just click confirm. The same process. This is only for, I've added this only for authentication. And it's going to talk to the hook over there, again talk to the hook over there, again and again. So while if you see a drop down over here, you will be able to see what content is it sending. So the following content was shared, and how to use this, how to do that, how to do this. And it's continuously talking to the hook and sending the data to Google Sheets as for every single post idea which I had. So if you go to Google Sheets and see, it's getting automatically filled. I mean, look at that. Like, look at that. 1, 2, 3, and then again, one more. Just look at that. All the content ideas. So I don't have to worry about anything. And I don't even have to worry about duplicating it because this ChatGPT understands what I've sent to the database and what I've not. So all is recorded. This is the best thing which is there in ChatGPT Plus. And this could be extremely useful for people with managing a lot of clients. This is the best way to manage content, and this is very much required by any marketing firm or social media agency to just organize their content. So I want to know your honest views on how this could be useful for you guys. If this could be useful for you guys, or you would prefer the match, or you would prefer your way of doing things, because innovation is key to staying on top of the market for any business there is. And AI is definitely taking over the world. So let's use that to stay on top of the world. Yeah, that's a good thought. So I'll be ending this now. Sorry for taking so much of your time. I hope you found some value in this. Yeah.